Welcome to Season 6, Episode 2 of the Blending with Henry show, filmed right in front of the iconic Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Hey you guys, this is Blending with Henry. Welcome to My Vitamix, My Story. Now, many people want to know where I came from. Now, I come from a food background. My family is from Philly, and we love the hoagies and the cheesesteaks, the water ice, and the tasty cakes. So good. We're a military family. Now, my dad got stationed in California, so we moved to California, and my mom decided to open up 3 hoagie shops out here in the Bay Area. My food background came from working in my mom's Philadelphia hoagie and cheesesteak shops. At the time, she was the only Philly native that had multiple restaurants in the Bay Area. I learned so much from my mom about commercial kitchens, how to create recipes, by understanding how food should taste based on the types of ingredients used. She was iconic in Oakland. Here I am standing right in front of her original cheesesteak shop that after 24 years from her death is still in business. With all the delicious food my mom created, she still couldn't make a restaurant quality margarita. I remember when our Oster blender couldn't break down ice to make the margarita. My mom tried everything. I mean, she even tried blending without ice. She would put it in the freezer, it didn't turn out right. Then she ended up buying that tub of margarita mix with the shaved ice. Still wasn't the same. Unfortunately, that made the Oster blender completely useless. My mom, she passed away at age 55, 24 years ago from cancer. Now, she never heard of a Vitamix. With all the commercial equipment she had in the hoagie shop, she didn't have anything that great to make just a simple margarita. I really wish we had something like that. Now, I graduated from a technical college, so I learned electronics, and I'm also a fully licensed insurance agent. But it pays the bills, but you know how it is when you don't really follow your dream. That's where I was. The first time I saw a Vitamix, I was watching QVC. So it was a Sunday morning, and I saw this $500 blender. And I said, $500 for a blender? What does it do? Well, I thought it was a boutique brand. So I thought it was one of those where you're just paying for the name. I had no idea it was great. So I saw them make a smoothie. It was okay. But then I also saw them make the peanut butter. And I said, that's pretty good. I'm intrigued by that. But when they made that frozen margarita, I remembered my mom, and that started it all. And I just fell in love with it, and I ended up getting myself a Vitamix. I went on Vitamix.com, and I saw this Vitamix Pro 750, the original Pro 750. I thought it was so beautiful, it was amazing, right? So I bought it. But then again, I still had to go home and have a talk with myself. I wasn't sure if I should have spent that kind of money. It wasn't until I started it for the first time, I put in some soup mixture and vegetables and everything that was in the refrigerator. And man, that thing was incredible. I loved it so much. I just had to showcase it. So I ended up going on YouTube. I just wanted to make a quick video showing people about the machine. And I really didn't have any notion about doing YouTube videos. I just wanted to show people what it was like. There was not many people on YouTube demonstrating it. So I decided I would go ahead and just do a quick video. And then I saw an audience coming and they were watching it, and that's how kind of it started. So I decided, since my audience was growing, to actually do a video for Vitamix versus Blendtec. I've kind of seen those two brands be like the two top brands in blenders, and so I decided to go ahead and just do a video for that. That video became pretty successful. My audience started growing on YouTube, and I started really enjoying this. So I decided to reach out to Vitamix. I called their customer service to see if they could send me a review machine, maybe of a commercial model or something, I didn't know, if I could review it on YouTube. Well, they couldn't do it. So I said, okay, so they said, how about if you did a video of Ninja versus Vitamix? And I said, Ninja? Never thought about doing anything with Ninja. I looked at Ninja, it was kind of more of the lower end brand, the cheaper brand, not as premium as Vitamix. So I said, okay, why not? I figured out, I just went and got me a Ninja blender, tried it out, did a few tests. And see, the thing is, you guys, I have been the victim of infomercials. Just buying into them, and you buy this product and it doesn't work quite as well as what they say. So that's when I saw the Ninja, and it was pretty much exactly what my thoughts were for an infomercial blender. So when I did that video, the Vitamix Pro 750 versus the Ninja Kitchen System 1500, that video has taken off. I mean, gosh, it's like well over 500,000 views, and I had no idea. So somebody from Vitamix saw me, and that's where I'm here today. So I'm going to tell you about that right now. Now, firstly, you guys, this is my pride and joy, my Vitamix Pro 750. This is the original Vitamix Pro 750 with all the lights in the front of it. I just love it. Now, you don't see it in the videos too often because I keep it in the closet. I really don't like to use this too much. This is my favorite machine, so that's why you don't see it. So I'm showing it to you right now. Now, the funny thing is I got a message from Vitamix on my YouTube channel. I didn't really expect that. I didn't think they actually even saw my videos. So they were telling me how grateful they were that I did the Ninja versus Vitamix video, and I said, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. They even sent me a Vitamix 7500 just out of their gratitude. They didn't want anything out of me. They just appreciated the video, and that really made me feel good. I didn't even know what to do with that. So I found out later that I was discovered on YouTube by a guy named Rod Stewart. He actually was from Vitamix, and he owns a company called Blenditup. Now, you guys have seen these protein powders over at Costco or your big box store or somewhere like that, and I had no idea that a big company like Blenditup saw my videos. He took that Ninja versus Vitamix video and he took it to the higher ups at Vitamix, and that's how I got discovered. Unbelievable, right? So we all get discovered somehow, and it was a dream come true. I never expected to be discovered on YouTube. I didn't even know big companies even look at people like that. This is so amazing. I'm so happy. So that's where I got started, and that's who discovered me. So as my subscriber base on YouTube started growing, some of my subscribers were saying, hey, why don't you get us a free shipping coupon from Vitamix? And I thought that'd be a great idea. Why not? They were so loyal to watch my videos, so I thought it'd be a good idea. So I reached out to Vitamix, and Vitamix said, sure. You can actually sell our machines, and we'll give you a free shipping coupon for your customers. I had no idea that you could even do that. I didn't know you could sell the machines. I wasn't thinking about doing that. But I fell in love with this machine so much, I just wanted to share it with everyone else. So I couldn't wait to put a video up and showcase this machine more, showcase whatever I could showcase, and I could still give my viewers a free shipping coupon. The whole thing was just a win-win situation. I just had so much fun doing it. I have never enjoyed doing anything more than making these videos. That's been my pride and joy. I love doing it. Earlier I was talking about following your dream and having that dream come true. Well, my dream did come true. And the greatest thing is, between all the social media channels, YouTube and Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, I've been able to actually create a great business here. And I don't feel of it as work. I really love doing this. This is so great. I have friends that have really wonderful jobs and they're making a lot of money, but they're not happy. I am very happy. This is the best thing I've ever done for myself. And when I do the videos, it is a lot of work, but it doesn't feel like I'm actually doing something that I have to do. I'm doing this because I really want to do it and I enjoy it. And what is better than that? I love tech. I love this work. I'm so happy. I love Vitamix. I love Blenditup. You guys have really treated me well. Thank you so much. If you guys were checking out my attire, you've noticed my new Blending with Henry gear. Now in the video, I'm wearing my premium quality Henry hoodie. I also offer my premium Henry tee and my favorite Henry mug. If you would like to support Blending with Henry by ordering any of these items and more, go to my website, blendingwithhenry.com, scroll down towards the middle, you will see the first 4 samples and click on any of them. You will land on the Blending with Henry store on Teespring. All my gear is shown here to order with different colors and designs. Choose from multiple colors and sizes that suit your expression. Alright you guys, thanks for giving me a reason to share my personal journey. Now my goal is to share with you what I learned over the years, and hopefully it helps you in your journey to your dreams. Now if you're interested in the Blenditup protein powders or a Vitamix like the one featured in this video, click the links below and thank you. It helps support Blending with Henry. I'll see you soon.